boy. So I was church, bro.
So I ate two.
Sure.
I ate 2 sandwiches before I left. 2 sandwiches. Yes.
I had some oatmeal and a Pop-Tart, bro. Ain't gonna lie, I had oatmeal and a Pop-Tart.
So we going for the property. Shit, where we gonna be going to?
We're gonna go swim in my backyard pool. It's the SpongeBob one, the deflated one. I'll just play it.
Was that a Patrick one?
Yeah, it was definitely a pet. Nah, it was actually coincidence that I said that though. But maybe it was God, right? Man, you never know. Yeah, that they spared because they do owe their money. He got a gun in his hand. He said, "Do you really think that God came down and boom, he ended up pulling the trigger when he said that, bro?" He said, "You really think God came down here and did that?" Like, bro, that man, he ended up getting killed, bro. He had to go, bro. He had to go. As the hours passing, we'll let you know. That boy V-Taper coming out, bro. Hey, flex on the camera, bro. Yeah, that body, that boy got that growth coming in. Yeah. Let the beast out! Let the beast out! Hey, little dude, show me the flags, bro.
What kind of flex?
Like bicep flags, bro. Show me the beast! Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about, boy. You gonna get that muscle up. Can't really see mine on the thing, bro, but shoot. That boy A-Pack, I got your V-Taper, bro, when you was leaning forward. The camera got your V-Taper through the shirt, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah! How you feel about this pool day tomorrow?
Good, man. You know, there's plenty more to go, man. Pretty more to go.
I can't even do my voice, bro. How you feel about this pool day, Pat? Yo, nice. Get that cardio in. 7, not 7. Bro, you done turn it off.
Oh, man, bro, like,
5 hours of pool cardio. 4 hours of pool cardio. How awesome! Oh my goodness. 4 hours of pool cardio we just did. Not really much of a pump going on, but definitely got them abs going. Got the physique going. Don't lust after me. I'm a Christian boy. I do not appreciate it. Thank you. Follow, subscribe, like, comment. Instagram comment, like. Thank you.